Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the running game, so press ESC to open the Roblox menu and go straight to Settings. Once there, choose Video because that's where resolution-related controls live. This avoids changing system settings. Make sure your session is not minimized and that you're in the version of Roblox you usually use. From here, you'll change modes and quality. Do this now to control both window size and rendering clarity without leaving the game. Once you're in video settings, switch graphics mode to manual so Roblox won't auto-adjust resolution and quality for you. Then drag the quality slider to the number that balances clarity and performance. Higher numbers give sharper visuals but cost FPS. Next, pick full screen to match your monitor resolution or windowed to manually resize the client. Drag the window corner to change pixel dimensions. Make these changes slowly, testing in-game movement and particle effects to confirm the visual trade-offs. After adjusting mode and quality, apply the settings and restart Roblox if necessary so the client reinitializes with the new display parameters. If full screen doesn't match your monitor's resolution, open your system display settings and confirm your desktop resolution matches what you expect, then retry. If you see stuttering or scaling artifacts, update your GPU drivers and verify hardware acceleration is enabled. These steps fix most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.